Hey guys, what is up? It's Lunar Attacks here. So today we've got the Redragon M601 gaming mouse. Let's unbox this. Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I have a quick announcement. We're still going to be doing that giveaway, and if you guys do want more info about that, it'll be on screen right here when we hit 100 subs. Come on, we're so close. I'm at 80 subs. We can do this. All right, let's get back into this. Before we unbox this, let's take a quick look at the packaging. And here's the front. The back has really nothing. Front has a few specs, which I'll be telling you guys later on, but let's unbox this. So getting the wrapping around it was a bit tough, but now let's get this out of the box. So I think this comes as like a travel case. So the packaging is really nice. Oh wow, this is hard. Okay, I don't want to break this, but wow, it comes as like a travel case, I'm guessing. And now you've got, okay, here is the mouse. Ooh. And you've got a Redragon sticker, and I'm guessing, yeah, this is an instruction book. Yeah, it's just an instruction book. But now, let's take a look at this. So here is the mouse, and one thing I like about this is it has an integrated weight system, which basically, let me just get this out. I mean, it can be kind of hard to get out. Oh, there we go. I got it out. So here is the weight system that goes into your mouse right here. And like, if you just want a light mouse, you can just take these little studs off. So I'm just going to take I'll take all of them out actually. And let's just get all these out. And now if we put it back in, let me just put this back in. Okay, and now, oh, this mouse feels so light. It'll be really easy to move around. And now, when I just put these back in later on, it's going to be way more heavier, well, obviously. But I think it's a really nice feature in addition to a mouse that's only $17, which is pretty cheap, and I think it's really worth your money. So here's the mouse. It has RGB lighting, which I'll be showing in a few seconds. Here's the USB cable. It's pretty long, which if you do have like troubles, like if you're on space management, this wouldn't be the best for you. But I do like that it has a 6 feet long cable, which is really nice. And now let me show you the RGB. So red is 800 DPI, and the the color changes every time the DPI does. So red is 800 DPI, blue is 1200, green is 1600, purple is 2400, and yellow is 7200. So the max DPI setting is 7200, which I don't think many people use. I mean, once you do have your personal DPI preference, but I mean, you never know. It also has 10 chroma lighting effects. It has colorful, streaming, steady, breathing, tail, neon, colorful, steady, flicker, streaming, wave, and there's also, I think you can keep it to none. So you can have up to 2 users on this mouse, and when you press this button right here, you can change the user settings via the software, and I'll be showing you guys how to use the software next. So I tried using the software and it did not work. And I was reading the comments and a lot of people actually had the same problem. And that can be a killer when trying to program these side buttons. But you can still use them in real games and you can still you can still bind them. Bye guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys do want to check this out, it's a really nice mouse for a cheap price. I do have an affiliate link, so if you guys do look at it or click on the link, it will help me out. And I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget about that giveaway.